was in Welsong. It's a antique house over probably hundreds of years, and because of the railway, we don't have a road over here, and that's why we tried to maintain it as much as we could. But today there was an incident, a major incident, a fire incident, which has finished my whole house and my ancestral properties. I mean, my ancestral furniture, antique furniture, finished because of the fire brigade couldn't come in over here. There was an incident and my workers were out. So the neighbors called, frantic call to call me, and I rushed because I live in Marva. I rushed over here because there's no road access to this place. I had put a complaint against the contractors over here because they have filled up the land, broken places where there's no vehicle can come. The fire brigade had to go all the way to Arusi, enter through Arusi and to come and put off the fire. It took them more than 45 minutes probably to reach here. By the time the villagers, Mr. Orville Dorado, brought his fire extinguishers, his men from his hotel, and they managed to put off major part of the fire. Had that not happened, probably there would have been lives lost. And we have been making noise about this. The villagers have been fighting about this, and the government is not interested in doing anything up for us. There have been people who are sick. There's no ambulance can come. Nothing can come. Luckily, by God's grace, today no one has died. Had someone died, this would have been a very different story. I'm thanking God that no one has died. Yes, we have lost a lot of money over here. We have lost all because thank you for the villagers. The fire brigades couldn't come here. They managed to come from Arusi. There was a broken place. They broke a wire and they managed to come. They risked their lives and they came. I'm thankful to the fire brigade because there was no way to come. And when the fire brigade came, the people had managed to, even with their fire extinguishers and everything, risking their lives. Every person, I thank every villager who risked their lives and came here to help me. I'm Dr. Sanjay Coelho speaking over here. My ancestral home, has gone inside, totally burnt. All my furniture is gone. Who's responsible for this? Who's answerable to this? Who's going to provide back? Is this a way the government is interested in the people? If there was a fire incident and someone was dying, what would have happened? Someone was burnt and locked up inside, what would have happened? I'm asking the government today, what are you all doing? I have put a FIR, the police have refused to register the FIR against the contractor. Because the first rains, all this place, railway contractor, because on the first rain, they put so much of mud around this whole thing in front of my house was flooded. Fortunately, the water has found a way and gone off. But they refused, they have not even come to see what has happened. Is this the support we are getting from the people, from the we villagers and we our people from Goa? There are so many houses over here, elderly people over here. There's no road access. The road access you all are blocked. The fire brigade couldn't come in. 45 minutes for them. They came to the panchayat and they couldn't cross over here. Just outside they came and they had to go all the way to Arusi through smaller roads, break wires and come here, risking their own lives. They also are brothers and sisters, brothers. They also got a family. Are we bothered about the fire brigade personnel? Or we are making a joke out of everything? I'm sorry, the state of affairs is very poor. This shouldn't, we would have been able to control the fire. Had the fire brigade when it came, we would have been able to control. We had to rush. People were walking with the extinguishers, all the villages, one extinguisher, and they were coming running to put out the fire. There must have been at least 20-30 extinguishers used from your hotel, probably. 23 extinguishers were used by luckily there was Mr. Dorado's restaurant, hotel was there. And because of that, we got all the extinguishers from there to put out the fire. And people risking their lives have done this. What are you all doing? In fact, you all are putting everyone in danger. All curses will come on you all for doing this. On behalf of all the villagers, I thank every villager who came here from the bottom of my heart. Because there was no life lost. I thank God for that.
आमचो एक गांव भाव एक्टिविस्ट ऑरविल दोरादो तेने आपल्याक जाता ते भाशेन ह्या घराक आदार दिलो कित्याक तो घरवालो हे घरा रावना पूण येता वयता आज संडे म्हूण तो घात गेल्लो तो येता म्हळ्यार टायम जालो पूण तरी आसता आमचो एक्टिविस्ट ऑरविल दोरादो तेणे सगळें जाता ते भाशेन आदार दिवन उजो पालो हें केलें पूण जायना जालें कित्याक हो सोंपेपणी उजो उज्या कळे आमकडे जायना ताणूंक तो आमी फायर ब्रिगेड येवपासान आफ्टर 60 मिनिट्स फायर ब्रिगेड येयली आनी आतां कितलो तांकां लुकसाण जालां हे घरवाल्याक तेगे सगळे फर्निचर इन क्रोज नॉट ओन्ली 1 crore सगळे लासून काबार जाले घरा खातीर आसलो तितलें आनी तेज्यान घरा रावोन जायना वयर टॉप रूफ देखून तेगे लासून गेले आतां एका कोण रिस्पॉन्सिबल गव्हर्मेंट आमकां कांयच कोन्ना आनी आमगे ही एरिया सामकी लँडलॉक जालो पळय हांव गव्हर्मेंटा आमचें कोणूय गेल ना फकत तेका डबल टॅक्स जाय कोणा लागून फॉर दी ओन तेगे ओन बेनिफीट तेगे फायद्याक हो कोर्ट सारून तेंगे डबल टॅक्स जाय पूण ते आमकां मान उडयताय
Today, the 24th of August, being a Sunday, during our siesta time, I got a call from my village punch, Francisco Braganza, stating that a house in my neighborhood was on fire, actually. I rushed here with whatever equipment I had from my place, the fire extinguishers. And in no time, we were here in about 5 minutes. And that entire house, which is possibly maybe 300, 400 years old, what you see in my behind me, was on fire actually. Now we reside here in a place which is called Premier Wada. Just in front of me is the village panchayat and the single track of the South-Western Railways. What you see on here towards my right, it was our right of way, which was used by the villagers since 1890, when the then British East India Company decided to have the single track narrow gauge for the railway line from Vasco to Kulem. Today, what we are seeing here is a catastrophe of a magnitude which we had already, we had we had thought about it, that this could, such as emergency could arise. Could it be an emergency of a medical requirement of emergency vehicles, a fire brigade, and exactly this what had happened. The fire brigade was here meters away, but it couldn't cross the tracks. And there is on towards my left, there's a place which it could just cross the level crossing and be here. It may be in 10 minutes from where now. But the South-Western Railway, these are the wicked RVNL personnel. What they have done is they have dug up the nala, which was existing nala, and they kept it because the people were using this for as a thoroughfare to deny the villagers. And today they have denied the fire brigade of Goa the access to this. And as a consequence, the fire brigade had to go back to ROC and come here by the internal roads, which took a good 40-45 minutes. In the interim, with the assistance of our staff, of the villagers, about 20 villages, we nearly put about 60 to 65% of the fire. So, this brings us to the root cause. Who is the cause of all this immense loss that these families that they have faced today? It is on account of RVNL and their shoddy work that they have done. They have dumped this hundreds of trucks of construction material and debris. And this was to be a nala. And in the summer time, we used to use it as our thoroughfare, as a right of way. Today, our people are denied access. And this is a consequence of this, their ill planning that we are sufferers today in Wellsound. I appeal to the local representative. He should have, if he has any this, he should come and see what is the plight of these people here. At the mercy of such elements. We see migrants just, moving around in and out here through our village. There is no security for our senior citizens. And now as I speak, there are Goa police personnel here to the right of this house, of the very house. And it has been reported that it has been broken into. So where is the security for our people?